This is Factor 75. It is amazing because you can decide what food you want, you order it, decide how many meals you want, and they ship it directly to your home. This order is of 4 meals, and inside, as you can see, it arrives fresh. So here is this, and you just simply put it in your refrigerator for whenever you're ready to eat it. And to cook it, you just put it in the microwave or oven. It's your choice. So I ordered 2 Mediterranean lamb burgers. So it comes right here. And then in the back is all the nutritional ingredients as well, with macros as too. So here is the actual food. It looks really good. Mediterranean lamb burger, some veggies, and some sauce. And then for the other meal, I ordered 2 of the same thing as well. And this meal is the maple pecan salmon. So here is the actual product right here. And I am so excited to make this. Just pop into my microwave or oven. There is no shopping, no cooking, just all simple. So if you are interested in purchasing Factor 75, check out the link below and you can go ahead and buy it. Don't forget to like up this video and share it. Thanks so much for watching.